extra points for Browning. They build some nice stuff. Now, from looking at it from the underside, it looks like everything up in here is all firm and intact. So I'm hoping that's the case, because that would mean not having to pull seats and some other junk. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm going to pull our gas pedal. We'll be right back. So now Ford's trick is to make it almost impossible to get at. Dodge's trick is to give you 2 of the 3, easy. And then the last one gets all the 4-letter words. Alrighty. I gotta be honest, it looked a little better from the bottom side. Okay. We're gonna keep sparks in here to a minimum. Obviously we're gonna do a little welding with it. That should keep everything safe. And we can leave the interior of the seat in place. That's pretty cool. Okay, our floor flange looks like it's in good shape. That is good news. See, what can we work with here? It's a mess, but there's enough here to work with. We should be fine. I'm going to take a 1/4 inch off there still. Important to make a mental note. That's not the line we cut on. Alright, make sure we don't cut our floor support off here. Alright, well, we got a few days to go yet till we hit Halloween, but the pumpkins are picked and we're getting some progress done on this thing. I went pretty hard on it yesterday, so there's a bit of stuff that I didn't cover. I just had to get more stuff done and couldn't pick the camera up as much. But it's above freezing, and above freezing means that it's t-shirt weather, and any day that's t-shirt weather is a good day indeed. And I see Finn just stole my wire brush, so I gotta go get that back from him. Okay, well, I'm going to get a bit of protection on this here. May as well work on this while I can see it all. And then I'm going to get a template in here, get that finalized up, start cutting our new pieces out. And Bob's somebody's uncle. Okay, so looking at this template, I cannot get this template in and out in one piece, and we still have to add a lip on it to up here. So we're going to just cut this guy in half. Don't forget our overlap. So we're going to flange the side where our floor pan overlap is going to go. Okay. So we'll do the same here, and it'll overlap. And nice and flush. We got our first floor panel, and we just did some typical weld through primer here. That's a pretty good fit. We need to keep in mind, this is a Jeep, this is not a show car. Okay, well I got the floor pan welded in, ended up doing it in 3 pieces. 1, 2, and then a third along here. And that just turned out to be the easiest overall. Then last night coated it with a polyvinyl self-etching primer. That's pretty tenacious stuff. I've used this for a while and I've never seen this fail in any way. This is, yeah, anyways. I don't think it's the most health-friendly stuff, but it sure works. This seam sealer is Simpson. It's their ISR 7003. Definitely not the only option out there, but it certainly works. Alrighty, so we will let this dry up and come back a little later. Of course, I also seam sealed the underside just to help make sure that we don't have any moisture and debris and salt and whatnot wicking up and coming in through the back side of all the panel seams. And so between that and it being primed well, this should last another 20-30 years easy. I topped off the primer with 3 coats of a durable high texture enamel and just help give some abrasion resistance in the years to come. Just got to pull the carpet back in now, put the gas pedal back on, and carry on from here.